Cool. For the camera, just go ahead and state your first and last name. All right, BK in the right seat. We have 7 laps here. Beautiful Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo car. Car, man. Right around 700 horsepower. Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, semi-slick tires, full-blown race car. Like I said, kind of difficult to drive, so really get a feel for this thing. Keep your eyes up. One of the biggest things is just trying to be as smooth as possible with it, with all your inputs. The brake, the throttle, the steering wheel, the smoother we are, the faster we're able to go, okay? Remember out there, those red braking points, the green turn-ins, the green apexes, simply connect the dots with the green. Brake at those reds. I'll kind of help you out with the line everywhere else. Don't be afraid to brake long into the corner. Be patient with throttle. We should never be accelerating and turning. That's not going to end up too well. Wait until that steering wheel becomes straight on the way out. That's when we can accelerate. The straight of the wheel, we can do whatever we want with the pedals. But if we're ever turning, we got to be very light and little with our percentages on our pedals, okay? I'll be watching the mirror and the screens at any point. If we do need to let a car pass us, you'll see my hand on the wheel. We'll stay left or right, slowing down a little bit, let that car pass. If we catch anybody, wait for hazards. I'll tell you when to pass them on my cue, okay?
Yep.
Go, man. We have any questions?
Nope.
All right, Joe. Foot on the brake. Let's upshift right paddle one time, smoothly and slowly pull on out, straight ahead. Like I said, with 7 laps here, a good amount of laps, taking that first lap or 2, get a feel for the car, learn the track a little bit. Keep our vision up. Our eyes are our most important tool out here, so eyes, eyes, eyes. Give me a quick little brake check, nice and firm, and we're pulling up between those blue pylons. Notice that brake pedal kind of stiff, right?
Yep.
Right between the blues. Continue up next to the red pylons, right up next to them, and stopping at the very last one down there. Full stop, hang tight. We're waiting on at least one car. Whenever we do get rolling, we'll take off nice and easy at first, like we're getting onto the freeway. We'll cross the red line, stay up the right-hand side. Don't merge left until I let you know it's safe. So, okay?
Yep.
Waiting on at least one more I saw. Let's go ahead and start rolling, nice and smooth. Cross in red, stay up right side. Upshift once, upshift again. Let's merge all the way left, one more shift up, and we're gonna stay in this gear for a while. Keep on going just a little bit. And let's start our braking. Get a good feel for those brakes here, Joe. Up to that green, light brake. As we turn, we should just be coming off brake there. Straight into the next corner. Try not to jump any inside curbings. Smoothly out to the right here, Joe. Little bit of power. We're looking for the green. Aim straight at it. And brake all the way to that green lightly. Stay wide for that next one. Perfect. We're looking left. Down for that apex. Get tight to it. Mild throttle. Staying left. Eyes to the right. And then just a steady throttle through here. Steady, steady. Smoothly accelerate to the middle, up to our left. Just a lift off, no brake. Turn it, little bit of gas. Holding right, Joe. And braking here. Turning in, off the brake. Very little gas, quick hands. Back to that right, squeeze into that power. Smoothly up the right side. And braking all the way to green, downshifting once. Out wider, wider, wider. Now we're looking left for that apex. Turn it all the way down, little bit of gas, smoothly to the right. And we're full throttle here, Joe. Let's go. Shift up. Shift up. Good. All the way to the first 3 orange. Shift up one more time. Off gas, brake hard. Downshifting once. One more time. Light brake, release here. So right there, we just gave it a little extra brake as we're turning. Okay. Try to refrain from doing that, okay?
Okay.
But first lap, looking good, man.
All right.
Light brake all the way to green. Stay on them lightly, stay wide. Looking left now. Patience with power. Nice, steady, consistent throttle, like 50%, holding 50. Now we can squeeze a little more up to that left. Eyes to the right, looking from green to green, holding right. Ease off gas and braking, turning, release. Smooth pickup with that throttle, and just squeeze into that throttle. Good, off gas, brake firm, downshifting one, light brake out wide. Look left here, Joe, all the way down. Open the wheel to the right and hammer down. Let's go. Shift up. Take a deep breath. Shift up. Grabbing one more shift. We're off the gas, brake hard. Hard, harder, harder. Downshift twice and off the brakes. All right. How we feeling?
Great, man.
All right. Don't forget to breathe over there, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, cool. Brake all the way to that green, and then this one's tricky. Just stay wide, have that patience. Eyes to the left, looking and planning for that next corner. Consistent throttle through here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go past that car on the right. Off gas, coasting, nothing yet. Staying right. Start giving me light brake. Light brake and clear. Turn it in. Gentle with power through here.
Okay.
Squeeze into that. Good. We're off the gas, braking firm. Downshifting once. Nice and wide to that secondary green. Eyes to the left here, Joe. Good. We got to be about 10 feet closer to that apex, okay?
Got it.
All right. Reset. Let's go. Up. 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 Off gas, brake harder, harder. Downshift, downshift, stay on brake, drag the brake in, release smoothly here. Good, just want to work on a little smoother release off the brake, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
just so we don't upset the balance too much as we're turning.
Okay.
Brake light, long. Nice, good patience, looking left, little gas. It's all about momentum through the next couple corners. Light lift, turn, little gas, holding right side, off and braking. Braking, turning, release. And as straight as possible without hitting the curbing. Beautiful. Alright, just watch out for their braking up here. Staying right. Braking, we're passing on the left. Downshift once. Stay on brakes for me. Holding inside. Behind yellow. Get ready, stay up behind them. And left side pass. Full power. Go. Shift. Shift. Beautiful. Shift again. Take a deep breath, Joe. We're off the gas and brake hard. Stay on brakes more. Downshift twice. Turning. Off brake. Coasting. Little gas. See that? That was good, man.
Thank you.
Braking light and long. Got to keep the front end under control. Ease off. Have that patience. Try not to turn in early. Steady throttle. We'll pass that orange car on the left. Straight ahead. Steady, steady. Good, clear. Lift off, turn it in. Little gas here, Joe. Staying right. Brake firm. Turn, release. Building speed. Go, go, go. We're passing on the left. Off gas, brake firm all the way to the inside. Downshift one. Little more brake. Good, holding inside. No gas yet. Little bit. And out to the right, Joe. Good job, man. Right there. Let's go. Up. 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 Off gas, brake hard. Stay on that brake pressure more. Downshift twice. And off brake, coast. Little bit of gas. Beautiful. Smoothly.
Nice.
Braking long. Stay on them light. Ease off there. Looking left. Looking left. That brake pressure is always going to help us turn, right? So we don't want a lot of modulation. Middle, up left. Light lift, eyes up, looking for that second green. Braking. Turning in. Gentle pickup. Squeeze into that power. Little more, little more, little more. More, more, more. Off and brake hard. Hard, straight. We're too close to the dirt there. We're too close to the dirt on the right side, okay?
Okay.
Out to the right. Let's go. Deep breath, deep breath. Up. Stay in it. Up. Hard brake. Harder, harder, harder. I'm going to help a little bit. Off the brakes. We got to work on that initial brake pressure being on the point. Right? Yep. One more. There we go. Stay there. Eyes up. Let's make this lap good.
Okay.
Light brake, staying focused, looking ahead. Hit all our marks, looking left. Steady, smooth throttle, keeping the car balanced through here. Little bit more up left. Ease off gas, braking, 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 lightly turn it. Quick hands back to the right there, Joe, and squeeze into that throttle. More, more, more. Good. Off and hard brakes. Joe, we are exiting this time straight ahead between the white pylons. Continue slowly through here to our left. There's lap number 7, just like that, man. Great job.
That was
actually
fun.
Overall, start to finish was really good. I just think overall, our last lap, we just lost a little focus, right? Just going into that like straightaway with the braking, right?
Yep.
Our confidence was getting more and more and more, and I would say laps 5 and 6 were killer. Some of our best laps. Last lap, a couple little mistakes here and there. You felt them, right?
Yeah,
like
I did.
Mental fatigue started setting in.
100%.
It's a lot, you know.
Definitely on that first, definitely braking late.
Yeah, and which is fine. I like where we were braking, but with that last one, we got lazy with that initial brake pressure where we needed a lot more for that speed.
What was my best lap? Oh, you don't know?
Like time-wise?
Yeah.
Have no idea. We don't have in-car camera. A little forward. We're just going to slowly roll. We'll catch the bump before door, hopefully. Right there. Pull both paddles back at the same time. Foot off the brake. That bump. Beautiful. We're off the brake, right? Good. We'll leave it running.
Okay.
How do you feel, though?
Dude, amazing.
Car's fun, right?
Fun. I am like confident.
Right.
Everyone's just getting in my head here. It was like, no, and it was once I got in, I was
yeah.
feeling,
It's
feeling
just
so good.
it's a car where it's like, yeah, we have to tell people like, hey, just because we get people that have no idea what they're getting into,
Right.
And then sometimes I get somebody strapped and they're like, I don't want to do this. This isn't what I signed up for. So we have to like, hey, you're getting a rail race car, you know, give up all the pros and cons to it, right? But because I would say half the people back out of it once they realize, oh shit, I didn't know what I was getting into, right? But then for somebody like you, they're like, hey, oh yeah, like this is what I want to do. Yeah. It's a learning curve, right? It's going to take a lot longer to be perfect in this car than it is to jump into the GT3 and be really good, right?
Exactly.
The learning curve is a lot steeper with it. So it just requires perfection. So overall, like I said, not bad at all. 5 and 6, I would say probably our best laps. Super smooth, no mistakes, and then just kind of lost a little focus there at the end. But overall, not bad, man.
Awesome.
We had fun.
Thanks, brother.
Are you going to be driving anything else? Going drifting? Doing any ride-alongs?
No, it's it. But
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that'll be around for a while. It's just I'd say if you do that one, do more laps in it because it takes longer to figure it out. Go ahead. You got your belts undone. Scoot that seat back. Make sure to unplug your comms so you can start hopping out. I'll meet you right outside.
Awesome, man.